Namaste guys, welcome back to my channel with an interesting video. I am Sumitraj and you're watching Vision Creator. So today in this video I am gonna show you 3 different tricks of Google. By applying this trick I can assure that you must enjoy the Google experience and also you shall show off with your friends. Before starting the video, you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so never miss the update. Make sure you must watch the video till to end because at last I'm gonna tell you an amazing app which really works in Corona situation to make you update. So let's start the video. First trick is Google Handwrite. To do this trick you have to open Google page and scroll down in it. After that click in settings, then search setting, then you can see the handwrite option and enable it, then click in save settings. You can see the magic. Second trick is Google dark mode. Wait, it is not a Chrome dark mode, it is a Google dark mode. By this trick, if you search any website, then the whole website get dark theme. This is for whom who really do Google search hours and hours and also who love the dark themes. To do this trick, you have to open Chrome browser. After that, you have to search Chrome flag in the address bar like this. Then you directly go to the Chrome experimental page. Then you have to search dark theme. You just see dark mode option is coming to the first. After that you have to enable the dark mode. Then relaunch your Google Chrome. Then you can see that your Google Chrome or Google turn into a dark theme, which is really impressive. Now you can search any website in a dark mode. And the third trick is really important. By this trick you can know if anyone searched something wrong with your Google account. To know that trick, again you have to go to the Google page, then go to the settings, then search setting. After that click in manage. Then you can see that Google My Activity page has been opened. Then scroll down. Then you can see that your today's search, yesterday's search is displaying. Simply you can clear your history so no one can see your history. At last, the amazing app is Docs Valley. You can simply download this application from the Play Store. In this application, you can know each and every new update in the health sector. You can use this application for your maintenance of your health. If you love this video, please hit the like button and do comment as well so that I get motivation for a new video. Thank you all of you. Keep supporting us.